Hey guys, just wanted to show you this sediment filter from Membrane Solutions. This is compatible with GE, Culligan, Aquapure, and other brand that uses the 10 by 2.5 filter housing like this one right here. It is good for removing rust, dirt, silt, and any undissolved particles, and you can choose from different filter membrane from 50 micron to as small as 5 micron. So this is really great as a first defense for your reverse osmosis system or to protect your appliances. It has 3 separate gradient density layers that act as barrier against particulates, which also gives it a higher dirt holding capacity. So basically the last layer of this particular one that I have is a 10 micron. So as the water goes through this filter, the larger particles get trapped on the surface layer. The medium-sized particle will get trapped in the middle, and on the last layer, the smallest particulates will going to get trapped. This means that if you install this for your washing machine, you'll have whiter whites, and if you install this before your RO system, your system filter will last longer so that you can save money by letting this to do most of the work to remove small particles before it hits your RO system. So this filter is like $4 a piece. It actually comes in sets. This box here comes with 6 sediment filter, and it costs about $25. And just to remind you that this housing is an inline whole house water filter, which means that you install this right before your appliance or your RO water filter. You don't place this in the main line, as the 10-inch housing is going to get clogged really quick if you're using this as your whole house water filter. So unless you're in an RV system, or maybe you're the only person in your house, then this is actually designed for localized installation. So this housing comes in bracket, and this bracket is going to allow you to install this into your wall. So you can install it this way or this way, and it comes with all the screws that you need. And it also comes with this filter removal tool. If you install this in your house, you want to make sure that the water will come through here where the red valve is, and then the water will come out here going back to your faucet. So for me, I probably don't need to install this in a bracket because I'm going to be using this for my car when I do car washing to prevent any white spots from building. I will place my Amazon affiliate link to this product in the description and in the comment section so that you can use it if you're interested in this product. Using an affiliate link will not cost you anything extra. Amazon simply gives a small commission to all of its affiliates when you use our link.